What's up guys, welcome back to another amazing AMC8 video. In this video, we'll be covering problem number 25 in the 2018 AMC8 exam. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so how many perfect cubes lie between 2 to the power 8 plus 1 and 2 to the power 18 plus 1 inclusive? Remember that. That just means we include 2 to the power 8 plus 1 and 2 to the power 18 plus 1. Okay, so this problem seems fairly simple enough until you remember that we don't get calculators on the AMC8. So there's no way we can do 2 to the power 18 by hand, right? And even if we do, how are we going to find the perfect cubes between 2 to the power 18? Okay, so how can we approach this? Well, first let's write what we can expand, 2 to the power 8. Off of the top of the head, most of us know that that's 256, right? But even if you don't, you can just multiply it in your head, like 2 to the power 1, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. You get the point, right? You can do that easily. And then 256 plus 1, that's just going to be 257. Okay. And then we have to find it all the way to 2 to the power 18 plus 1. The perfect cubes in this area. Okay, how are we going to do this? Perfect cubes. Well, perfect cubes are always to the power of 3, right? They're in the form of x to the power of 3. So the key thing we should do here is rewrite this 2 to the power of 18 as 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 3, or cubed. So this essentially itself is going to be a perfect square, or a perfect cube, right? And we need to remember to keep the plus 1. Okay, so now we just need to find the perfect cube that's closest to 257. What about 6 cubed? That's going to be 216, but that's too small. Let's try 7 cubed, maybe. That's going to be 49 times 7, which is going to be 343. Okay, yeah, that fits in our range. It's a bit bigger than 257, but definitely smaller than 2 to the power of 6 cubed. Okay, that is just going to be now 7 to the power of 3, right? And then we have 2 to the power of 6 whole cubed. What is 2 to the power of 6? Okay, well, let's start counting. 2 to the power of 1, 2 times 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. That's going to be 64. We don't need the parentheses, actually. 64 cubed plus 1. And we can disregard the plus 1 for now because we don't really need it since we're calculating the perfect cubes. So now all we need to do to find all the numbers in between 73 to 64, all we need to do is do 64 minus 7, right? We're finding every term in between, but then plus 1. Because don't forget, it says inclusive up here. And a lot of people get stuck on this part because of that. Okay, so 64 minus 7, that's going to be 57, plus 1, that's going to be 58, and that is our answer. So let's go back up and check. And yeah, sure enough, 58 is an answer. So that's just going to be our answer for this problem. So the key thing in this problem is to convert this huge 2 to the power of 18 into this expression so that we can get a power of 3, or in other words, a perfect cube, which makes it much easier to solve this problem. So please like and subscribe, guys, so I can keep running this channel to the best of my abilities. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this AMC preparation video. See ya!